convertible kind of day out there right now. Don't
Not
you
bad.
think, Bob?
But you got to remember, I tell you what, the sunscreen, people think that you can actually get a sunburn through glass. You cannot do that. But I tell you what, you roll the window down or you do have a sunroof or convertible, then you can get burned very, very easily. And today, perfect day for that. Last night, it would have been nice to get some thunderstorms in here. That would lower that pollen count that we had the story on at the top of the show. But those all stayed to the north. Matter of fact, some rough weather right now in the southeastern part of the country. And see the blues up there? Some snow is falling, accumulating snow right now in northern Missouri. We showed you those temperatures a few minutes ago up towards St. Louis and also Kansas City, near freezing. 76 is the current reading right now at DFW, 84 in Austin, very close to triple digits in Laredo. Red River, very close, not Red River, oh, we don't want hundreds yet in Red River. How about the Rio Grande? That's where the temperatures are very close to 100 degrees. But 57 in Amarillo and 47 in Oklahoma City. Now, take a look at the current readings. This is pretty impressive. This is quite what we call a temperature gradient, the change in temperature over a distance here, almost 30 degrees just from Gainesville to Waco. But Waco, if you're watching us right now, and I'm not sure if your antennas can pick us up or not, but if you're watching us from Waco or just north of Waco towards Hillsborough, your temperature is about to take a tumble and you'll be down into the 70s and 60s. Tonight, after being in the middle 80s today, we're going to be in the low 40s with a wind chill. So when you get up for church tomorrow, get ready for some much cooler weather. Here are those highs today. 85 DFW, 86 Arlington, as close by as Waxahachie, 90 degrees today. That current temperature in Waco is the high temperature for the day also. They even made it into the 80s in the northeastern part of the state. 84 in Paris, 87 up in the Arc-La-Tex region, but temperatures have dropped a lot, especially north of the Red River. Here are those wind speeds. They're going to stay probably in this range overnight. So you take temperatures in the 70s with this type of wind, no big deal, right? You drop the temperatures into the 40s like we're going to be in the morning with this wind. Then we're going to have wind chills down in the 30s. Quite a shock to the system tomorrow morning. 76, your current temperature. 47 is the dew point. The air is dry. We do need some rain in here. And I do have a few chances for rain. We don't have the best forecast coming up for the next 5-6 days or so. And I'll show you that in just a minute. 85 and 68, your high and low for the date. Look at these lows. Not until the morning, though. Next few hours going to be very nice, a little bit breezy, but temperatures, once that sun goes down, they're going to drop pretty quickly. This is what I'm talking about as far as the weather kind of going downhill. We got okay weather now, but overnight tonight, winds aloft are going to start blowing out of the south and southwest, overrunning this cooler air we have at the surface, and cloud cover is going to start overspreading the area early tomorrow morning. So I'm going for a mostly cloudy, chilly day tomorrow, and there may even be a few rain showers. So it is not going to be the best of Sundays, and I think a lot of us are going to stay in the 50s for highs tomorrow after being in the 90s today just to our south. And once we get this cloud cover in here and showers, I think they're going to be with us off and on for a few days heading into the middle part of next week. So your forecast highs tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies, maybe low 60s to the south, but 50s up to the north. So fair early, clouds late, cooler. Much cooler tomorrow, some spotty light rain, maybe a shower or two, only in the upper 50s, lower 60s. And it's going to stay cool for several days, maybe some strong thunderstorms late in the week. But hey, right now, I think next weekend looks great. Becky's got your forecast each morning on The Wolf.